This is my main camera that I use in most of my videos. This is my front view camera, and this is Canon 70D. I've been using this camera for several years already, and this camera has 18 by 135 millimeter lens, and this is a great lens, and I've been using this lens for a while as well. This is actually the only lens that I've been using on this camera, and it's a great camera, but I decided to upgrade because this camera has some limitations and it's already getting pretty old. 7 years ago this was a great camera, but in this camera I can't really do any slow motion because the max slow motion I can do is on 720 60 frames per second, but I cannot do 60 frames per second on 1080p, and this camera will not do 4K. So I did a lot of research and I wasn't sure what to get, and I was looking into EOS RP. It has a 4K, but it also has some limitations, and I decided to upgrade to Canon 90D. It's just because this camera has a 4K and it still has a dual pixel autofocus in a 4K, and I can also do 120 frames per second in 1080p if I really would like to do slow motion. So that's why I decided to go with this camera, and from now on this is gonna be my main camera. I'm gonna be still using 70D probably in a lot of as a secondary camera, but my main camera is gonna be 90D. So let's see, let's open it up, let's do a little unboxing, and let's see what's inside the box. This is a camera warranty, and then this is like all the documentations, and then there is a charger right here and the battery. And one thing I really like about this battery, this is the same battery as the 70D has it, so it's going to be compatible. So now I'll have multiple batteries. Then there's a strap 90D, and then there is actual body, and there's a lens. So this is it, that's what's inside the box. Body, lens. I purchased the camera kit with the same kind of lens that I was using before on my 70D, 18 by 135 millimeter. Strap, I don't think I'm going to be using this. Battery, charger, and the battery itself. They're almost identical cameras. Besides, this camera, 90D camera, has a little joystick over here, and this one doesn't, and just different functions. I also like the build quality. Feels like it's a little bit upgraded. And even lens on this one is like a matte black, and this one is black too, but this one looks a little bit sharper, a little bit better versus 70D. And plus 90D has more megapixels, if I'm not mistaken. It's like 32 versus 70D. It only has I think 20 megapixel sensor. And this is pretty much it, and hopefully there's going to be a difference in the video quality, and like I said, I'm going to try to shoot everything in 4K from now on. Thanks for watching.